Quarterbacks, in order to maximize your throwing power, maximize your ability to throw the ball further, make it so you can become more consistent, more accurate, increase your overall shoulder strength, your shoulder mobility. It's going to go into certain fundamentals within your mechanics, and also certain exercises that are going to really allow you to excel as an athlete. And that's what our program here at the Performance Lab is set up for you to do. From anywhere in the world, you can send in your videos of you throwing from the front, from the side, and from the back. And from there, we will break it down, we'll slow it down, we'll get into the nitty-gritty of your mechanics, look into the angles of how your body's moving, and be able to design a specific exercise for you to ensure that you're gonna become a better quarterback and be able to reach your individual goals. And where it all starts is by looking at your body and saying, okay, based off of how you're currently throwing, these are your deficiencies. These are the areas that you can work on, whether it's having that better shoulder range of motion, maximizing your core strength, getting a better leg drive. We'll be able to see it, and more importantly, we'll be able to give you the exercises that will be able to correct it. And over this period that this program entails, you'll become a completely different quarterback than you've even imagined because of the specificity inside our online program. So if this is something that sounds like exactly what you need, go ahead and scroll down below, fill out the form, click on the link, and let's get started, and let's make you into the quarterback I know you can become.